I have been on YouTube since the last 3 years, and I can say with certainty that it has changed my life. I had two YouTube channels prior to this one you are watching right now, and you will soon find out why I'm using the word had. So, first channel, Timekeeper Gaming YT. Well, it's a weird name, I admit, but it was the first channel I ever created, and according to the Ankush of 2021, it was a super name. He found it cool enough. By the name you already guessed it. It was a gaming channel. I posted different type of games like Minecraft, Pokemon X, Happy Wheels. Yeah, this just seems to get weirder. But unsurprisingly, that channel did not get any attention because my gaming skills were shit and I did not have any experience on how to deal with everything. Another reason why it went dead was because my decade-old PC could not handle the games, and so the quality would drop and nobody wants to watch a laggy video. Well, after the trend of games, I became quite hooked onto anime, and that's how the second channel came into being, A Senpai, where I posted anime music videos, AMVs. For people who are not familiar with Japanese, it means A, like A is of English only, and senpai means someone who is senior to you, mostly academically. That channel required a hell lot of planning because it was related to all the effects and all the dopamine inducing video contents, and I had to give a lot of effort into planning each and every videos. I would spend weeks just to prepare only a single video because there was no giving information. There was just only different clips edited together in the beat so that people can enjoy. There was thumbnail designing, there was tag sorting, there was editing for so much time, there was selecting clips, so much stuff, and the result was most of my videos went viral, and one of them got 200k views on the second day of upload. After 2 days, it was sitting on 200,000 views. It was just pure victory for me who failed previously with my channel. You have heard Shakespeare, right? All's well that ends well. Well, I'm altering him a little bit, and I would say all's well that ends not well, because due to a tragic incident with my Google account and my email account and some of these things, I lost that channel. And so what happened when I lost my channel? I became depressed. Alright, this is not the kind of depression people talk about and try to look so cool that yo guys, I'm depressed. Not about that. It was genuine depression because I had worked so much hard for that channel, and that actually blew up. But then I lost due to some technical issues, and it was just weighing on my mind that what will I do now? I don't even want to start another channel of the same kind because I don't want to put that much effort again and lose everything in the end. So basically I decided to quit YouTube then, and I uninstalled Adobe After Effects. I deleted all the plugins. I just wanted to get a new life. Well, a new journey. It took me about a year to get over the depression of losing my YouTube channel, and then I opened another one. At first, I would not lie to you, at first I did it for views and I posted short anime clips extracting from episodes and wanting to get the same views again without doing the hard task. But soon I opened my eyes and I looked around me and I saw people who are literally suffering due to the content that I was posting. Many people suffer from gaming addictions, anime addictions, and different type of addictions, right? And most people don't even know the S of self-improvement. All they do is just watch those dopamine inducing videos and fry up the receptors even more. And that is why I decided that I won't do any of these edits and I will make raw videos and give you actual valuable education and my knowledge and my experience rather than doing something for views. I made all the videos private and I just started giving as much advice that I could. The third channel. This is the one you are seeing me on right now, and it does not have a fancy name. It's just my name. With all that past experience began this journey, and I hope that you are gonna be supporting me on this journey. If you have made it this far and have cared to stick around to know my journey and know my story, then I genuinely thank you from the bottom of my heart, because these last 3 years were tough. I'm not gonna lie. And once you get to the pinnacle of success and you just suddenly drop from there, it hurts you like anything. The happiness of going viral for first time and then just suddenly dropping due to some technical issue, not even your personal issue, and then starting from scratch again. But this time I'm not alone and you guys are there, because it is a genuine one-to-one interaction, or I would say one-to-many interaction, because I cannot physically be there with you. And even though we are having a parasocial relationship among us, but what I want you to understand is from now onwards you will only get quality education like you have been getting from the last month. There will be no such things that don't help you. My other social media platforms, this one and my email, all are there to help you guys. I just wanted to really share this experience with you, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this last couple of minutes, and start if you haven't already.